What's up? I'm John Vaughn. And first off, thank you so much for getting started with the Mad Adder. Look, but before you go, I want to give you a very special offer here. I want to give you a one-time offer to actually partner with me and my company Tier 5 and become a partner with Mad Adder and Post Filter. Now, both of these softwares are actually used in the Mad Adder system and process. So I want to give you the option to actually partner with us. Now, if you take this offer for the very low price that you see listed below, what you're going to get is you are actually going to get unlimited accounts on Post Filter Pro and unlimited accounts on the Mad Adder software. But what can you do with these accounts? Well, you can actually do anything that you want with them, but here's what I would recommend. One, you can actually use them for very high value lead magnets. Who doesn't love software? Everybody loves software, especially this software that will actually help save them time and money. So you can use your accounts as high value lead magnets to generate leads so that you can actually, and not just generate leads, but generate leads that you're actually providing value to so that you can sell your products and services later. All right. So that's one thing you can do. You can generate unlimited leads. Another thing that you can do is you could use one of these softwares or both of these softwares as bonuses to your current offers to actually increase the value of your offer, which will actually help you increase conversions. So there's another thing that you can do. So you can generate leads, you can add them as bonuses to increase your offer stack, to increase the value so that you can get more sales and more conversions. Or if you want, you can also sell the software outright for whatever price that you want, and you can keep 100% of the revenue. So that allows you to actually build up residual passive income streams. That means people are going to come to a funnel very similar to mine. I'll even give you my funnel, and they can purchase the software directly from you and get into your funnel, become a paying customer, and you can actually start to build up residual passive income streams. Or if you just have a large team or a bunch of students that maybe you coach, you can just give them access to the software so that they don't have to pay me for it. So there's so many things that you can do. So what you're going to get if you take the offer here for this one-time small payment is, one, you're going to get unlimited accounts on Mad Adder. You're going to get unlimited accounts on Post Filter. You're going to get an amazing portal like this, which is QB, where you can actually go in and manage all your accounts. You can do it manually or through automation. You can add users, you can delete users, you can suspend users, you can unsuspend users. You're going to get the ability to generate leads. You're going to get the ability to actually increase the value of your offer so you can get more conversions and sales. And you're even going to get the ability to actually generate recurring residual revenue. So you can see the very low price that's listed below. And if you take this offer, I'm going to then right after this offer you the ability to actually white label these softwares under your own brand and launch them on your own, and even start your own partner program and be the CEO of your own software company. But that white label opportunity is only going to be available to you if you first take this offer. So if you're interested, just click the button below that you're interested and you want to take it. If you're not interested, just click that little link all the way below that says no thanks.